My name is Deon and I'm an SMB account executive. I started on the SDR team back in 2018. Honestly, when I started this role on the SDR team, I didn't really know what path I wanted to go. And after having multiple vision talks and one-on-ones with my leadership, SMB just seemed like the best fit. It was really kind of a seamless transition from SDR to SMB. You're spending time setting those meetings for those reps, and then you are going on those meetings once you get promoted. And so just being able to provide solutions to businesses has been really fun and exciting, and the team environment's been great too. I think the SDR role is a great spot to really learn about the business, really understand what we do and how we do it, and then try to, build the value to these prospects that you're reaching out to. Something I was always told was lean into your curiosity, and that's really stuck with me to really work on the craft of the business and what you want to do. I really held that to heart, and I still do that to this day as far as trying to learn the most I can and really do the best I can.